Welcome to the Best Employee Podcast, your resource for improving work skills. Today's episode, Highest Paying Employee. Welcome to the Best Employee Podcast, your go-to resource for enhancing your work skills and maximizing your career potential. In today's episode, we'll dive into the intriguing topic of the highest paying employee. Through this episode, we'll explore key insights on how to become a high-paying employee, the importance of developing marketable skills, and strategies for establishing yourself as an expert in your field. So sit back and grab a pen and paper, and let's delve into the world of high-paying employment. Join us as we discuss the secrets to unlocking your earning potential and achieving professional success. Highest paying employee. When it comes to pursuing a high-paying job, there are several factors to consider. Let's explore the world of top earners and professionals that dominate this realm. First and foremost, it's no surprise that CEOs rank among the highest paid employees. These visionary leaders often command substantial annual salaries and reap the rewards of their strategic development and decision-making. Additionally, various professionals offer exceptional earning potential. In the medical field, doctors, surgeons, and anesthesiologists command substantial salaries due to their expertise and critical nature of their work. Legal professionals, such as lawyers, also tend to be well compensated for their specialized knowledge and representation. Executives across industries leveraging their leadership acronym secure high-paying positions. And lastly, computer scientists with their expertise in cutting-edge technologies and problem-solving skills are also recognized for their lucrative compensation packages. Remember, it's important to note that these salaries can be vary based on their geological locations and market demands. Now let's explore the strategies for becoming a high-paying employee in our next segment. How to become a high-paying employee. Congratulations on your aspirations to become a high-paying employee. It's essential to recognize your worth and strive for compensation that reflects your skills and contributions. Now let's explore the key steps that can pave the way to achieving your financial goals. First, invest in education and skill development. Continually expanding your knowledge and acquiring new skill competencies will make you a valuable asset in your job market. Seek out opportunities to enhance your expertise through courses, certifications, and workshops. And secondly, stay up to date with industry trends. Keep a finger on the pulse on your field and stay informed about emerging technology, market shifts, and changing demands. This knowledge will position you as a forward-thinking professional ready to tackle on the challenges of the future. To stand out from your peers, strive to become an expert in your field, pursue specialized knowledge, take on leadership roles, and actively contribute to your industry. These actions will showcase your expertise and dominate your commitment to excellence. When it comes to negotiating your salary, be in control, be confident and assertive. Research salary ranges for similar positions, prepare well-structured arguments showcasing your value, and communicate your expertise effectively. Remember, preparation is key to successful negotiations. By following these steps, you'll be well-equipped to pursue high-paying opportunities and secure the compensation you deserve. Now let's explore the significance of developing marketable skills in our next segment. Developing marketing skills. In today's rapidly evolving competitive workforce, it's crucial to develop marketable skills that set you apart from the competition. Let's explore the significance of these skills and strategies for their development. The workforce has become increasingly competitive, making it essential to possess skills that make you stand out. Marketable skills are highly sought after by employers and can significantly enhance your career prospects. So, how can you develop these marketable skills? One effective approach is to get involved in curricular activities related to your field. Consider joining professional clubs, associations, or organizations that offer opportunities for skill development and networking. Participating in internships Competitions related to your industry can also provide valuable hands-on experience and can give you a chance to showcase your abilities. These experiences allow you to apply theoretical knowledge and gain practical skills sought after by employers. By actively engaging in these activities, you demonstrate your dedication, passion, and drive for continuous improvement. And moreover, they provide a platform to develop and refine your marketable skills. Now that we understand the importance of developing marketable skills, let's delve into the next segment, which focuses on establishing yourself as an expert in your field. Establishing yourself as an expert in your field. As professionals, we have a responsibility to share our knowledge and expertise with others. Establishing yourself as an expert not only benefits our own career, but also contributes to the growth and advancement of our field. Now let's explore effective strategies for becoming a recognized authority in your industry. One powerful way to establish yourself as an expert is by writing articles or trade publications. Sharing your insights and expertise through these platforms not only showcases your knowledge, but also allows you to reach a target audience in the industry of professionals. Now consider taking it a step further and write a book. Authoring a book only builds your credibility, and it gives you a platform to share your expertise with a larger audience. This can open doors to speaking engagements, media opportunities, and further within your field and further recognition. Giving talks or presentations at industry events is another effective avenue for establishing yourself as an expert. By sharing your knowledge and insights in public settings, you position yourselves as a thought leader and attract attention from peers, potential clients, and contributors. When you establish yourself as an expert, it's important to focus on educating, informing, rather than self-promotion. Other valuable insights, practical tips, and actionable advice to the audience. This approach will earn you respect and credibility within your field. And lastly, make sure to include contact information and a website in your bio. This enables others to connect with you and learn more about your expertise. It's an opportunity for interested individuals to reach out, collaborate, or seek professional guidance. By implementing these strategies and sharing your expertise with others, you not only establish yourself as an expert, but also contribute to the growth and development of your industry. Now let's move on to the concluding segment of our podcast. As we wrap this up, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for tuning in and joining us on this journey, exploring the world of high-paying employment and career success. In today's competitive job market, continuous improvement is key. We encourage you to take the initiative and invest in personal and professional growth. Seek out opportunities to learn new skills, expand your knowledge, and stay updated with industry trends. By becoming a valuable employee, marketable skills, you position yourself for greater success and increasing earning potential. Remember, the path to becoming a high-paying employee requires dedication, perseverance, and commitment to excellence. As you embark on your career journey, we wish you nothing but the best. May you find fulfillment, prosperity, and fulfillment in your chosen path. Remember to stay resilient, embrace new challenges, and never stop learning. Thank you once again for your attention and time. We appreciate you being part of the Best Employee Podcast. Here's to your continued growth and success in your career endeavors. Best of luck on your journey.